Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In last video we have done the second problem of polynomial from the Abhyasa Deepika. This is the third problem. Okay, here is the question. If p of x is equal to 3x power 4 minus 5x cube plus x square plus 8, then what will be the value of p of minus 1? Means we have to substitute in the place of x minus 1 and we have to find the value. Okay, now we are substituting the value of minus 1 in the x place in the polynomial. P of minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 power 4. 5 into minus 1 power 3 plus minus 1 square plus 8. Okay. Here see, when we multiply minus 1 4 times, that is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus. 1 ones are 1 only. So we will get the 1. Okay. Next, minus 5 into, when we multiply minus 1 3 times, we will get the minus 1 only. When we multiply minus 1 2 times, we will get 1. Okay, plus 8, that is equal to 3 ones are 3, minus into minus plus 5 ones are 5 plus 1 plus 8. Okay, now we have to add this value. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 17. So the value of p of minus 1 is 17. For more important problems, please subscribe to my channel.